The government has revealed that over $4 billion has been spent on the Spark program so far, with at least 84 roads fully repaired or under active construction. Plans are also being intensified to develop the One Road Authority to provide better regulation for all roads in the island. As Kelisha Williams reports, the government has also doubled down on the effectiveness of the Spark program despite criticism.
At Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing, Minister of Works Robert Morgan outlined that the Spark program has resumed, and by March, over 400 road projects would have been started.
Work has actually commenced on 84 roads. So 84 roads are either finished or under active construction. Roads that have been paved, as in the asphalt has been put on them, 56 roads have been paved. So across the island there are 56 Spark roads which have been paved. Work scheduled to start before the end of this month. For the next 2 days is 3.
Work will begin on 69 roads in February and 49 roads in March. Instructions will also be given for an additional 143 roads in March. And so far, about $4 billion has been spent on Spark.
Our budget for this year is actually about $5.2 billion. We're expecting to spend a little bit above that. And remember, Spark is a $45 billion program that runs about 2 years. I suspect we're going to probably go more than 2 years because of what happened to us under Melissa, which has delayed us a bit.
Now, the opposition has been calling for the government to account for the billions of dollars spent on Spark as road conditions continue to deteriorate island-wide. However, in further defending the project, Mr. Morgan said the standard for roads under Spark is significantly higher than other roadworks. He said traditionally the government would spend $20 million to repair a kilometer of road, but under Spark it is $40 to $45 million. As for Spark roads damaged during Hurricane Melissa,
I think there probably is about 2 or 3, one in St. Anne, and a part of the reason the road was damaged was the flooding could not have been contemplated or predicted in some cases. But almost 98% of our Spark roads stood up.
And patching work will continue under the government's new road repair program GO to address roads damaged during the hurricane. In the meantime, plans are being intensified to establish the One Road Authority, an agency that will be responsible for the regulation and performance of all roads across the island. Presently, several entities oversee the operation of roads in the country.
Cabinet also approved the development of the Jamaica Road Designation Framework, as well as the Jamaica Road Register. And we're already in the process of creating the Jamaica Road Register website, where every Jamaican will have access to a list of all roads, the quality of the road, and who is responsible for your road.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.